Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to unbox mobile lens. In this box you will get fisheye, wide angle, and macro lens with lens caps, and lens holder, and also carrying pouch. This is fisheye lens. And this one is wide angle lens for wide shots. And this is macro lens for macro shots. To use it, just attach the lens on lens holder, and clip onto the mobile camera. And now you're ready to click awesome photos. Check out the images with different lenses. These photos are taken by Sujin. Check out his Instagram account for awesome photos. Link in description box below. That's it for today. If you want to buy the lens, link is given in description box below. Check them out. If you like the video, then hit like button and share the video, and also please subscribe to my channel.